Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Battery, M.2 solid-state drive, WLAN module, and fan. Removal. Disconnect the following cables from the motherboard. DC-in cable, fingerprint reader ribbon cable, card reader board ribbon cable, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly ribbon cable, keyboard backlight ribbon cable, keyboard ribbon cable, touchpad board ribbon cable, touchpad button board ribbon cable, audio board ribbon cable, display panel cable, speaker cable. Remove the three 2.8mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the motherboard to the top cover. Carefully lift the motherboard off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Note: before installing a motherboard, remove the following from the old motherboard and install on the new motherboard. Memory boards, heatsink. Reverse this procedure to install the motherboard. Important: after motherboard replacement, be sure to complete post-installation tasks as required that may include verifying functionality of the notebook, updating the BIOS, updating DMI and other settings,